Hi, I'm Jen, and I'm here at the Hoshinoya Tokyo, which is a really unique hotel here in the center of the city. I love all of the cultural immersion I'm getting right here on the property, and I'd love to take you on a tour. Let's go.
Hoshinoya Tokyo is in the Otemachi Financial District. Today, the neighborhood is filled with skyscrapers, but it's got centuries of history too. In fact, samurai from the mighty Tokugawa shogunate lived here between the 1600s and the 1800s. The exterior, a stunning lattice metal pattern based on a hemp leaf, is inspired by an auspicious Edo komon pattern that was once used on kimonos in the Edo period. This hotel is a true urban resort inspired by a Ryokan, or traditional Japanese inn, which is normally found in rural settings. Even checking into the hotel is an experience unto itself. There's a large entrance hall with soaring ceilings and a wall of woven baskets that stretch all the way up. These woven baskets are for your shoes. You're asked to remove them, and you keep them off during your stay because all the hotel's floors, even the elevators, are covered with beautiful tatami mats. The idea is to encourage guests to leave the city behind and to become immersed in another world through all five senses. It's exactly what I feel when I sense the smooth texture of the tatami flooring beneath my feet. Next, I head for the elevator that takes me to the lobby on the second floor. It's the afternoon, and a musician in a kimono is playing a koto on a stage in the reception lounge. The talented Rie Azuma is the architect behind this hotel and all the Hoshinoyas across Japan. The hotel has 84 rooms with 6 rooms per floor. The Kiku room is the largest accommodation and fits up to 3 people. While children are more than welcome, littles who have a lot of energy might feel a little frustrated in the hushed atmosphere. Each floor was created to feel like its own private ryokan and has a shared tea area called an ochanama lounge. There, you'll find Japanese teas and snacks. While the lounge is technically a shared place, I often have it all to myself. Everything in my room sits a little lower, including the chairs and the bed. The mattresses, which are custom made for the hotel, are truly amazing. I'm not sure if it was the jet lag, but I don't know the last time I got such a fine night's sleep. My favorite time of day here is morning, when the light floods into the room through lattice screens that leave patterns in the tatami flooring. In the morning, a member of staff arrives in my room with a Japanese breakfast, which is one of my favorite rituals whenever I'm in Japan. The ingredients change every day according to the dozens of micro-seasons found here. Hoshinoya Tokyo sits next to the massive Tokyo Station subway hub, and it's close to the Imperial Palace, but the hotel offers plenty of cultural experiences on site too. You can take a workshop on incense or take part in a tea ceremony tutorial. I'm a martial artist, so I've decided to go with one of their more active offerings. So I'm here in the lobby. It's really early in the morning, and I'm about to do a kenjutsu practice on a rooftop, and I'm really excited. The class focuses on breathwork and basic swordsmanship, but the views themselves are taking my breath away. You can see Tokyo Skytree and Tokyo Tower. The kenjutsu practice pays homage to the samurais who used to live in this quarter during the Edo period. I also joined a class on Japanese tea ceremonies, which show just how carefully considered every detail of the experience is. And then there's the Onsen, one of the most coveted features of this property. It's the only hotel in Tokyo with an onsen that's fed directly by hot springs close to 5,000 feet below the hotel. The onsen is separated by gender, and you need to give yourself a good scrub before you enter. The bath leads to an outdoor space where walls frame the sky above, and you can feel cool breezes at night. For dinner, I get a private room at the subterranean restaurant and am treated to a multi-course meal of Nippon cuisine that features fish and seasonal ingredients.
So that concludes our tour of the Hoshinoya Tokyo. I hope you liked it. Be sure to tell us what you liked in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on your way out, and happy travels.